Hello all. In this video I am going to describe you how to use a proximity switch and how to interface it with a MOSFET to activate a relay and to drive a potential free contact. So this is my circuit. So here, as we can see, this is my proximity switch and this is connected to the 12 volt DC supply, and the negative terminal of the proximity switch is connected to 1K resistor to the ground, and here is the MOSFET IRF 840. The drain of the MOSFET is connected to a relay coil, and the other end of the coil is connected to 12 volt DC, and the relay coil output, the potential free contacts, is connected to the 220 volts main line, and it is connected to a lamp, as you can see in this circuit. The source of the MOSFET is connected to ground, directly connected to the ground. The drain, and so between drain and source I have used a 1 kilo ohm resistance. This is used to discharge the capacitance in the MOSFET gate. So now I am going to describe you the circuit. So what results I have seen is, between the drain to source, between these two terminals, the normal time voltage is 6 volts. When I am bringing a metal piece in front of the proximity switch, this voltage drops to 0 volts and the MOSFET switches off. Okay, now I am going to show you the circuit. So this is my MOSFET, this is my proximity switch. You can see this is my proximity switch. This is the positive terminal, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal of the proximity switch. This is no connection terminal, not used. And this is the LED indicating the status of the switch. At present there is no object in front of the switch. So I am bringing one object in front of the switch, metallic object. You can see the LED is switching on and off. The proximity switch is triggering basically. Now in the circuit, if we see, this proximity switch is connected here. As you can see, this is my power supply, the positive wire of the power supply. This is the positive wire, this yellow wire. It is connected to the positive rail. Okay, from the positive rail I am connecting one wire to the proximity switch positive terminal. To the proximity switch positive terminal. As you can see, there are two terminals in the proximity switch. The positive terminal of the proximity switch is connected here. The negative terminal of the proximity switch is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor, and the same terminal is connected to the IRF 840 MOSFET gate. The negative terminal from here is connected to the proximity switch, the minus of the proximity switch. Okay, so now as we can see, this is a 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is used to drain the charged capacitance in the MOSFET gate. So this 1K resistance is used as a biasing resistance for the MOSFET. The source of the MOSFET is connected to the ground. Okay, and this is my potential free contact relay. This is the potential free contact sugar cube relay. Okay, and the coil of the relay is connected to the one end is connected to the 12 volt DC bus. You can see here 12 volt DC bus, and another end is connected to the MOSFET drain. Okay, so and the potential free contact of the relay is connected to this lamp. Okay, so now I am going to demonstrate you the circuit. As you can see here, I am bringing a metal piece. So this is the working function of the circuit. Now if we want to measure the voltage between the gate and the source, let me connect the multimeter. So here I have connected my multimeter across the 10K resistance. Okay, I am seeing here the voltage of 6 volts DC. Now I am going to bring the proximity switch in front of the metal piece. So as you can see here, my proximity switch is in front of the metal piece, and I am measuring a voltage of 0.7 volts between the drain and between the gate and the source of the MOSFET. Between the gate and the source of the MOSFET, the voltage is 0 volts and the lamp is off. Okay, Now if I move the switch from the metal, what I am going to see? See, I have moved the switch from the metal. The voltage in front, the voltage between the gate and source of the, just a minute, my multimeter has switched off. The voltage between gate and source of the MOSFET is 6 volts. The relay is on and the lamp is on. Okay, and there is no object in front of the proximity switch. So this is how the circuit works. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is a tested circuit. You can use this circuit to drive any device as a potential free contact using a proximity switch. The proximity switch output can be finally converted to another voltage level using this circuit with a MOSFET IRF 840. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for watching.